What's happened is just past the railway crossing behind me, a male has been speaking to some people on the work site. He's finished speaking to them and walked back across the tracks and been struck by a train. We believe he did used to work at the site, but he no longer works at the site. So he was speaking to some people that he knew, and then he's finished the conversation and been walking away. I can't comment for the deceased. His colleagues heard the train, and they called out. As far as I'm aware, they called out about the train, but he did not. He doesn't appear to have heard.
And where's he from, please?